Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert an image in Photoshop. So first step you need to do is to open Photoshop, click on File, and here you can see option of New and Open. So you simply need to click on Open, and I'm going to select this image, click on Open. So this is the first method, and the second method is you simply need to close and click on Control O. From your keyboard, select the image, click on Open. And if you want to open any image, above the image you simply need to click on File, and here you can see different options. So you simply need to select the option of Place. So here you can see Place Embed, click the image. So I'm going to select this one, click on Place, and now you can see an image on top of the image. You can make it bigger and smaller according to your choice. So this is the process. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.